Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, April 25th, and this is my analysis of the Aussie US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full down analysis. So, on the Aussie dollar monthly, I still think this is going to make a higher low, higher low. I think it's all part of this WXY pattern, which I think right now we're probably in an ABC of wave Y, which the wave A and the wave C should be a trend on shorter time frames. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, it's going to be very interesting to see how these weekly time frame candles close at the end of the week, because right now it looks like the end of a Kretzen. It looks like this is an A, it looks like this is a WXY up B, looks like a wave 1, looks like a wave 2, 78% Fibonacci bounce. Boy, it really looks like this thing is going to go up and make a 3, 4, 5 of wave C, which is a wave C of wave Y, like I was showing on the monthly time frame. Taking it down to the daily time frame, this thing is very impulsive. I have a hard time believing that it is anything beyond the end of a Kretzen. Definitely looks like the end of a Kretzen. At some point, we should get a pullback, and if this really is a 1 and a 2, then at the end of this pullback, it would be the beginning of a big uptrend for a wave 3. On the other hand, there's always a possibility this is an A and a B, and then the third wave up would be a wave C, and then it would make a lower high and actually continue back down. So either scenario, I'll definitely be looking to go long at the end of this wave 2 or B. Then I'll learn and earn whether it's a wave C or whether it's a wave 3 while I'm in a trade earning money. So heading down to the 4 hour time frame, we definitely got a pretty nice little five-way pattern going up right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I would think that it would start a Kretzen at some point. Maybe today's US dollar news will be actually what starts the Kretzen. And we do have to keep in mind that next week we have interest rate for the US dollar on Wednesday, May 1st. I think next week is going to be what causes this to end another Kretzen. So this would be either an A or a 1, this would be either a B or a 2. Then I think it will go up for either a 3 or a C. If it is a C, then it'll probably go up to a fib level, turn back down. If it's a wave 3, then it'll just keep on making higher highs, higher lows. So either scenario, we definitely should be able to tell the difference between a 3 or a C, and we'll learn and earn at the same time, because we will be looking to get along at the end of this wave B or 2. So taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame, very strong move up. Kind of looks like a 1, 2, 3 pattern to me. So I think it's going to have to make a 3, 4, 5 just to end that such in a trend. We do have some US dollar news today. Not great US dollar news, but some US dollar news today. Maybe this really will go down, break structure, make a big correction, which would possibly last until next week. Like I said, we got interest rate next week for the dollar. I think that this is likely to make a correction, which would either be a B or a 2, before it actually continues the uptrend for the wave 3 or C, just like I was explaining on the higher time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to my daily live trading sessions. And it gives you access to all my swing trade setups by joining at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.